All right, here's a quick update. I rented a ditch witch yesterday. It was a 6-inch blade that's width, 36-inch depth as far as how deep it can go with the arm. Also, while doing this, got the roof finished, so now I have my nice metal roof there installed. But what I've got left to do here is to burrow underneath the sidewalk and connect to my PVC Schedule 40 conduit coming out of the foundation there, which goes into the crawl space. That's going to allow me to then go to the main 200 amp panel there, and I will fish my 6 gauge wire through the 1-inch conduit, and then if you can tell there, I've got 2 actual conduits coming out. One is going to be internet Cat 6 cable. Can't put them in the same conduit because there's interference. So I've got to dig underneath here and then finish running the conduit. Here's a little homemade blaster, water blaster I made here to help with the burrowing underneath. Try to chip away some of the dirt. But so yeah, this was a fun little project here. That little walk behind trencher with tank tracks on it was kind of fun. So and then I stopped right there at the edge of the shop. I'll take it up underneath the sill plate there and into the shop, into the 100 amp breaker, or panel I should say. So yeah, here's the front. I had to make my own fascia boards there, you can see, and trim pieces all around the door. And the windows, of course, have 3 total. 1 up in the loft here, and then 1 on the side, and 1 in the back. So I will open up the doors here. It's kind of dark, but there's all my Schedule 40 conduit that I'm going to run my electrical in. And you can see my other window there in the back window. Some leftover metal roofing and some trim. And I made a little shelf there in the back. It's about 18 inches deep, so I can maybe put some tools and so on, different items up there if I need the space. And then if I go back here towards the back and turn around, you can kind of see the loft. It's about 11 feet deep, and at the very center I can just about stand straight up and down. So it's a little shot, or it's about 6 feet tall from the 3/4 inch floor there up to the top. So here we are, update. So I got a lot of tools and junk sitting in here that I need to clean out. After I run the electrical, I will put down some flooring here to cover this OSB. Something easy to clean, probably some vinyl flooring. And then create a lock for the door, and I can start moving out here. So anyways, I got a lot of cleanup work out here to do though before I get to that. So here it is, middle of November. I've been chipping away at this pretty much since about March. It's hard when you got another job. So anyways, all right, another update to come.